The human brain and central nervous system have connective tissue wrappings called meninges. And you'll notice that there is an extremely thick meninge here. This is called the dura mater, and it stands for tough mother, which is an absolutely epic name. But this is the outermost meninge, and it's only one of three. If we come over to this brain, you're going to notice what looks to be like a film on top of the brain itself. And there's a gap here where that film has broken. And I can slip the probe, if I'm very careful, underneath, and you can see that film sliding. Now this is actually two different meningeal layers that have collapsed onto one another. It's called the arachnoid mater and the pia mater. Stands for spider-like mother and delicate mother. Now what would be flowing underneath this would be a bunch of fluid called cerebrospinal fluid that the brain would be floating in. Now what's kind of cool is we can also look over here at this sagittally dissected head, and you're going to notice a very thick band of dura here. So just as the dura was surrounding the outside of the brain like so, what'll happen is it'll also invaginate in and start compartmentalizing the brain. So you'll see the left hemisphere of the brain right there. Well, this separates the two cerebral hemispheres. And it's called the falx cerebri, and falx means sickle, like the Grim Reaper's sickle, which is a pretty sweet name. But there would also be another one that we've cut away that separates the hemispheres of the cerebellum, and then another one that goes, I don't know if this is going to come across that well on camera, in the horizontal plane that actually separates the cerebrum from the cerebellum. Now, all of these together form what's called the meningeal system. Now, they can get inflamed, and that could be due to bacteria, viruses, cancer, parasites. There are several different causes for it, and we call that meningitis. And meningitis kills somewhere around 200,000 people each and every year. It's extremely dangerous, and it's something that needs to be taken care of immediately.